Welcome to the 14th match of the 2021 HiQ season. Today's match features students from Blount, BC Rain, and the home team, Citronelle. The questions you're going to hear are prepared by educators throughout the country who are all experts in their fields. They try to make the questions equally challenging. Here's how the points are awarded. In a regular category, each team will receive its own question in that area. The team will then have 15 seconds and 4 opportunities to answer. A correct answer on the first try is worth 4 points. Each time an incorrect answer is given, it's worth 1 less point. And if a team misses it entirely, either of the other 2 teams can gain 1 point with a correct answer, and I'll explain some of the other scoring as we go on. So we always start with some questions in current events. So Citronelle, you're the home team, so you go first. Here is your question. With her new book, We Are Water Protectors, illustrator Michaela Godey became the first Native American to receive this prestigious award for artistry in a children's book. Give the name of this award.
The Pulitzer Prize.
Try again. What was your answer, Citronelle?
We said Pulitzer Prize.
Did you have a second answer?
Greta Scott King was our second.
Let's see, one more try. No, all right. BC Rain and Blount, if you would write down your answer, don't show it yet, and bring it close to the microphone. We'll ask Blount to show me the answer first. Caldecott and BC Rain. Platinum stamp. Caldecott is the right answer. It was Caldecott medal. All right, BC Rain. This World War II veteran raised millions of pounds for the UK's National Health Service during the COVID-19 lockdowns before he died at the age of 100. Give his full name, including his military rank.
Major Thomas.
No, try again.
Captain Thomas Moore.
Try again.
Connor Moore.
No, try again.
And Connor Thomas Moore.
Nope. All right, Blount and Citronelle, write down your answer if you have it. And Citronelle's still writing. And pens down. Okay, Citronelle, let's see what your answer was. Major John Pope. Blount, what was your answer? Didn't have an answer? All right. It was Captain Tom Moore. In fact, he was knighted by Queen Elizabeth a month or so before he died for his efforts. Blount, your question. How many years will you spend asleep in an average lifetime?
12 years.
Try again.
100 years.
Try again.
50.
Try again.
110 years.
Nope. All right, Citronelle or BC Rain. Write down your answer. All right, pens down. All right, Citronelle. 30 years out of your lifetime. BC Rain says 50 years. It's actually 26. We spend 26 years of our life sleeping. American history is the next topic. To Citronelle. Cherokee Indians living in Georgia and Alabama were forced to march by the thousands away from their homes and into Indian territory west of Mississippi. More than 4,000 died on this journey. Provide the name given to this march.
It is the Trail of Tears.
Yes, Trail of Tears is correct. 4 points for Citronelle. BC Rain. Within the United States federal government, there exists a bureau that organizes and catalogs the legal recognition of a new invention. They grant exclusive rights to the inventor for a period of years following the determination. Give me the name of this bureau.
Patent.
What was it again?
Patent.
I I actually couldn't understand you, so I don't want to count that, have that count against you.
The pattern.
Was faculty advisor, could you,
Spell it.
Julie, can you understand? Can you?
Yeah. Spell it.
Yes, that's right, patent. So that was your first answer. So you get 4 points. It's just very difficult to hear. Blount. A radical utopian group was established in the mid-19th century, advocating free love, birth control, and eugenics. Give the name of this upstate New York group.
New York group.
Try again. Okay, time's up. Citronelle, BC Rain, write down your answers. Hopefully you have. All right, Citronelle. Oneida, BC Rain. No answer? Oneida is correct, the Oneida community. So 1 point for Citronelle. Good. Topic is biology. Here's to Citronelle. Identify the type of plant growth that arises from cell division at the tips of roots and shoots.
What is stem growth?
Try again.
Vertical growth.
Try again.
Photosynthesis.
Nope. Time's up. BC Rain, Blount, write down your answers. All right, let's see. Blount, if you could show me your answer, please. Shoot growth. Okay, BC Rain. Stamen, I needed primary. Primary growth is what we needed. BC Rain, here's your question. Identify the plant's primary water-conducting tissue that forms a continuous system from the roots up through the shoot.
Carpel.
Try again.
Stamen.
Try again.
Ovule.
No, I think 15 seconds has gone by. So Citronelle and Blount, if you could write down your answers, please. And Citronelle, what is your answer? Phloem and Blount. Xylem is the right answer. So 1 point for Blount. Very good. All right, Blount, here's your question. Identify the type of leaf in which the blade is divided into leaflets.
Pine.
Try again.
Maple.
No,
Oak.
no. Okay, time's up. Citronelle, BC Rain, write down your answers. And Citronelle. All right, Citronelle, let's see what you came up with. Stem leaf and BC Rain. Fern, I needed a compound. Compound leaves is what I needed. All right, time for our first of 2 toss-ups. It's sports. And I'd ask everybody to write down your answers. And if you're all right, you all get points. So here's the question. Listen carefully. This player won the 2019 Offensive Rookie of the Year in a landslide. He was only the 2nd rookie and the 6th player ever to pass for at least 3,500 yards and run for 500 yards in a season, and run for 500 in a season. He also set an NFL rookie record with 211 straight attempts without an interception. Give me the last name of this Cardinals quarterback. Everybody write down your answers. All right. Time is up. Pens down, please. All right. Citronelle, what was your answer? Murray. BC Rain, your answer. Murray. Blount. No answer? It was Kyler Murray. So 4 points for Citronelle and BC Rain. Great. Topic is literature. To Citronelle now. In Flannery O'Connor's short story titled A Late Encounter with the Enemy, although Sally Sash bought silver slippers to wear to the movie premiere, in the excitement of getting ready, she forgot to change her shoes. Give the color of the shoes Sally ends up wearing on stage the night of the premiere.
Brown.
Yes, brown. They were Girl Scout Oxford shoes. 4 points. BC Rain. In F. Scott Fitzgerald's short story titled Bernice Bobs Her Hair, along with her friends Genevieve and Roberta, Marjorie Harvey was in a group of girls named for a flower. Give the name of the flower the group of girls was named after.
A tulip.
Try again.
Camellia.
Try again.
Clown.
Try again.
A rose.
Nope, sorry. Okay, teams, write down your answers, please. Citronelle and Blount. All right, and pens down. Let's start with Blount this time. Magnolias and Citronelle. Carnation, they were the gardenia girls. Gardenia was the flower. Blount, your question. In Stephen Crane's short story titled The Bride Comes to Yellow Sky, give the name of the Texas city in which Jack Potter got married.
Austin.
Try again.
Houston.
Try again.
San Antonio.
Yes, San Antonio is right. 2 points. Very good. All right, time to move on to mathematics. And each team will have a copy of every question for possible bonus points. The first one, though, first question is directed to Citronelle. So everyone open your yellow math envelopes, your yellow math envelopes. Here is your question. The instructions for quick grow fertilizer state that 4 pi pounds of fertilizer are needed to treat a circular lawn 24 feet in diameter. How many pounds of fertilizer are needed to treat a rectangular lawn 108 feet by 50 feet? Again, Citronelle has 40 seconds to shout out 4 possible answers. If they can't do it or are incorrect, then it goes to BC Rain and Blount.
£16,000.
Try again.
1,600.
Try again.
And 800 pounds.
No. One more try. Nope, time's up. All right, BC Rain and Blount, I hope you've been working on your answers. All right, let's start with BC Rain. What answer did you come up with in this geometry question? No, no answer. Okay, Blount, what answer did you come up with? 225. The answer was 150 pounds. 150. All right, next question goes to BC Rain. So everyone open your red math envelopes, please. In right angle ABC, angle ACB is the right angle, and D and CD is the altitude to the hypotenuse AB. If AB is 10 inches long and D intersects it, so that AD is 7 inches and BD is 3 inches, find the length in inches of altitude CD. Leave your answer in simplest radical form. Same rules apply here. BC Rain can shout out 4 possible answers, and only then will it go to Citronelle or Blount.
Five.
Try again.
Twelve.
Try again.
15.
Try again.
25.
No, teams wait for the buzzer. You have 3 more seconds to write down an answer if you need it. All right, time is up. So Citronelle, what answer did you come up with? Square root of 51. And Blount, what answer did you come up with? 3 square root of 2. It was actually the square root of 21 inches. I needed all of that. All right, next question goes to Blount. Everyone open your blue math envelopes. Blue math envelopes. In triangles ABC and XYZ, angle A equals angle X and angle B equals angle Y. If AB equals 5 inches, BC equals 8 inches, and XY equals 7 inches, the length of YZ in inches may be expressed as a fraction in simplest form P over Q. What is the value of P plus Q?
Five.
Try again.
12.
Try again.
2.
Try again.
7.
No, teams wait for the buzzer. Continue working on your answers. I have 15 seconds left. All right, time is up. Pens down, please. And Citronelle, what answer did you come up with here? 12. All right. And BC Rain? 13 over 20. No, the value of P plus Q was 61. 61. No points. Back to a regular category now, regular 15-second questions, and the topic is Shakespeare. And we'll go back to our home team, Citronelle. In Act 4 of Love's Labour's Lost, Holofernes announced that he has a dinner invitation which he extends to 2 other characters. One of these is Nathaniel. Name the other invitee. Five seconds.
Jonathan?
Try again. Nope, time's up. BC Rain and Blount, write down your answers, please. If you're both right, both get points. All right, BC Rain, what's your answer? Any answer, BC Rain? Okay. Blount, what's your answer here? Joseph. No, the answer was Dull. Constable Dull was the other invitee. BC Rain, here's your question. In Act 4 of the Comedy of Errors, Antipholus of Ephesus dispatches his Dromio to purchase something that he wants to have when he goes home. Identify that item.
Oh.
Yes, very good. 4 points for BC Rain. Blount, here's your question. Act 4 of Romeo and Juliet includes Juliet's lengthy deliberations about drinking Friar Lawrence's potion. She considers three fearful outcomes before ultimately swallowing it. One is that the poise of the potion does not work and she must marry Paris. Another is that she awakens early in the tomb and is haunted by her dead relatives. Give the remaining unpleasant outcome she considers possible.
She will die.
Try again.
She'll get a serious injury.
Time's up. Citronelle and BC Rain. All right, Citronelle, do you have an answer here? Nope. BC Rain. Death. Well, Julie, the answer was that it's poison, which would lead to death. But written down here, it says that it's poison. That would be the remaining unpleasant outcome.
I think we have to take what's written down because death could have been by some other means. I think they had to have said poison.
All right. Very good. Thank you, Julie. All right, geography is next in Citronelle. A territory in northern South America owned by France sits along the Atlantic coast and borders Brazil and Suriname. Give the name of this territory.
Guyana,
Try again.
French Guiana.
Yes, French Guiana. I needed both words. 3 points. BC Rain, your question in geography. A deep freshwater body of water lies at a high elevation between Peru and Bolivia and is often called the highest navigable in the world. Give the name of this body of water. Five seconds.
Amazon River.
Try again. Nope, time's up. So Citronelle and Blount, write down your answers, please. And all right, let's start with Citronelle here. Lake Titicaca, Blount. Gulf of Mexico, Lake Titicaca is the correct answer, so 1 point for Citronelle. Blount, here's your question. Only 2 countries in South America are landlocked. The smaller of the 2 shares borders with Brazil, Argentina, and Bolivia. Give the name of this country.
Colombia.
Try again.
Ecuador.
Try again.
Guatemala.
Nope. Teams wait for the, okay. BC Rain, Citronelle, write down your answers, please. And Citronelle, what was your answer? Suriname, BC Rain, what was your answer? Paraguay, that is the right answer, BC Rain. So 1 point for BC Rain. It was Paraguay. Very good. Okay, we're halfway through the competition right now. Blount has 4 points. BC Rain has 13. Citronelle in the lead with 17.
New Horizons Credit Union is a proud supporter of local nonprofits and education, including sponsoring the annual New Horizons Credit Union Scholarship. Visit newhcu.org to learn more about New Horizons Credit Union.
To be in the AP program, it not only offers you great opportunities in the classroom, but also outside. Like being a member of the AP program, I can come into college already being a sophomore in college, so I can completely skip 1 year just by completing all my AP credits and by taking the classes and passing the exams. I would recommend other students to take AP classes because being a member of the program offers so many benefits and helps you decide what you want to do in the future and where you want to go with your life.
Chemistry is our topic, and we'll go back to our home team, Citronelle, chemistry. Give the last name of the scientist who was the first to explain that acids were substances that produce hydrogen ions when dissolved in water.
Bronson.
Try again.
Hewlett.
Try again.
Johnson.
Nope. Teams. Time's up. BC Rain and Blount, write down your answers. All right, BC Rain, do you have your answer? Nope. Okay. Blount, what was your answer? Brunstead. It was Arrhenius was the person. Arrhenius. All right, BC Rain, here's your question. State the name of the analytical technique for separating two or more ions from a solution by adding a reactant that causes only the first ion to crystallize out, then another, and so forth. Five seconds.
Chemical reaction.
Nope. All right, Citronelle, Blount, write down your answers. All right, let's see, Citronelle. Your answer is catalyzation. Blount. Ion exchange, I needed fractional precipitation. That was the correct answer. All right, Blount, here's your question in chemistry. The van der Waals question or equation for gases is sometimes used in place of PV equals nRT. State what type of behavior by the gases is accounted for by the van der Waals equation. Five seconds. All right, time's up. Citronelle and BC Rain. Let's see, Citronelle. Brownian motion. BC Rain? Nope. It was non-ideal was the answer I was looking for. Okay, time for art history. Citronelle. In his famous marble group of figures in the Cornaro family chapel in Rome, Bernini created a statue of a saint and an angel. The angel is piercing the heart of this saint with a golden arrow, a symbol of divine love. Give the name of the saint depicted in this statue.
Saint Valentine.
Try again.
Ecstasy of St. Mary.
Try again. Okay, time's up. BC Rain, Blount, write down your answer, please. And BC Rain. See what you have. Cupid. Blount, what's your answer? No answer? It was Saint Teresa. Saint Teresa. All right, BC Rain, here's your question in art history. During the 17th century, a huge amount of new building and urban development took place in this city in Spain. Give the name of the city in which Alcazar Palace and Plaza Mayor were built. Five seconds.
Madrid.
What was it again?
Madrid.
Madrid is right. Yes, Madrid. That was your first answer, I believe. So that was 4 points. Good. Blount, your question. This painting titled The Lace Maker was created by a Dutch painter from the Baroque era. In the painting, a young woman wearing a long-sleeved yellow dress with a flat lace collar is seated at a sloping table in the corner of an empty room. The girl has her face bent down as she concentrates on her handiwork on a piece of lace. Give the last name of the artist who created this painting that exudes a sense of eloquent calm.
Hook.
Try again.
Williams.
Try again. Time's up. Citronelle and BC Rain, write down your answers, please. Rembrandt was the answer there. BC Rain. Was that a no? No answer? Okay. It was Jan Vermeer. Jan Vermeer. No points. Okay, time for team choice. Before the match began, each of you chose the topic you wanted to be quizzed on. 4 points for a correct answer, and you only get one shot at it. So one answer, please, for team choice. And the other two teams, if you're correct, of course, you both write down your answers. If you're both right, you get 2 points. So a chance to make up a little room. Okay, Citronelle, you chose American history. So again, here's your question, one answer. The leader of the Mexican army that marched on the Alamo spared no lives and ordered the killing of more than 180 soldiers protecting that site. Give me the last name of this leader.
Villa.
What was it again?
Villa.
No. Okay, BC Rain or Blount, you can write down your answer. Okay, time's up. All right, BC Rain, what's your answer here? Almost and Blount. Do you have an answer? It was Santa Anna. Santa Anna was the last name I needed. No points. All right, BC Rain, you chose geography. Here's your question. A reminder again, just one answer. A narrow body of water connecting the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans stretches through Tierra del Fuego region of Chile. This body of water was named after the European explorer who sailed through it. Name this body of water.
Strait of Magellan.
Yes, very good, 4 points. Blount, you chose literature. Here's your question, one answer. In F. Scott Fitzgerald's short story titled Dalrymple Goes Wrong, when Brian Dalrymple robs a house on Fillmore Street, he stole $1.62 in change. Give the total number of dollar bills he stole from the same house.
12.
No. Okay, BC Rain and Citronelle, write down your answer. And you've got another 5 seconds to go. All right, time's up. Citronelle, how many dollar bills did he steal? 1. BC Rain. 5. He stole $65 in bills. No points. Okay, time for our second toss-up of the match. In this case, it's Shakespeare, so I'd ask everybody to write down your answer. And again, if everybody is right, you all get points. So here is our toss-up question. In Act 4 of the second part of King Henry IV, one of the military commanders claims, quote, "Our battle is more full of names than yours, our men more perfect in the use of arms, our armor all is strong, our cause the best." Identify this confident speaker. Write down your answers. Citronelle, what was your answer? Fowler, BC Rain, what was your answer? Falstaff, Blount, Churchill. It was the Earl of Westmoreland was the correct answer to that Shakespeare question. So no points on the toss-up. All right, regular category now. It is physics to Citronelle. Name the kind of motion characterized by a change in angular position.
Yes. Acceleration.
Try again. What was the last answer?
Shift.
Okay, no, it was BC Rain and Blount. Write down your answers. And I'll ask BC Rain to show the answer first. Kinetic shift and Blount, your answer. Transformation. No, when it changed in angular position, it was rotational or circular motion. No points. BC Rain. Name the quantity defined as the amount of time necessary for one wavelength to pass a point in space.
$60,
Try again.
100,
Try again. No. Okay. Citronelle and Blount, write down your answers. All right. Citronelle. Period. Blount. What was your answer? No answer? 0.1. No, it was period. So Citronelle gets it right. Citronelle. Blount, your question. State the name of the SI unit of inductance.
Grams.
Try again. Okay, time's up. Citronelle and BC Rain, write down your answers, please. And Citronelle, what did you come up with? Ohm. And BC Rain. Ergs. No, it was a Henry. That was the unit of inductance. No points. Citronelle. In one form of government, a single person or a small group is responsible for the exercise of political power. In such a system, those who rule cannot be held responsible to the will of the people. Give the name of this form of government.
And oligarchy.
Try again.
Aristocracy.
Try again.
Parliamentarian.
No. BC Rain, Blount, write down your answers, please. Okay, BC Rain. Authoritarian. Blount, your answer. Democracy. No, dictatorship. Dictatorship is what we needed. BC Rain. A major concern at the convention of 1787 was the payment of the war debt. Delegates from the agricultural South were fearful that the new Congress would tax exports, especially tobacco. Give the complete name of the compromise that settled this issue. Five seconds.
Missouri Compromise.
Try again. No, sorry, Citronelle and Blount. Write down your answers. Okay, pens down, everybody. Okay, Citronelle, what was the answer here? The Great Compromise. Blount, your answer, okay. The complete answer was Commerce and Slave Trade Compromise. You need the whole thing. Blount, here's your question in American government. In order for a constitution, an amendment, or a treaty to go into effect, each of the colonies had to give consent for its passage. Give the name of the term by which this formal approval is known. Five seconds.
Ratification.
Yes, that's right. Ratification. You had a buzzer beater, 4 points. Very good. world history. To Citronelle now. The kingdom of Axum gained control of both sides in the southern part of the Red Sea, and in the process became an international trading power. Traders from Egypt, from India, Arabia, Persia, and the Roman Empire landed their ships at Axum's major port. Give me the name of the important center of Red Sea trade.
What is Timbuktu?
Try again.
Marrakesh.
Try again.
Athens.
Try again. Nope, time's up. BC Rain, Blount, write down your answers, please. All right, pens down. BC Rain, what was your answer here? Any answer? BC Rain? Nope. Okay. Blount? Nope. It was Heidlas. A-D-U-L-I-S. BC Rain? The greatest geometer of the Hellenistic age was an Alexandrian mathematician whose book, Elements, contains more than 100 geometric proofs that are still the basis of geometry today. Give the name of this Alexandrian mathematician.
Euclid.
Try again.
Euclid.
Try again. Okay. Citronelle or Blount, write down your answers. Okay, pens down. Citronelle. Pythagoras, his theorems, and Euclid. Euclid is the right answer, Blount. Very good, 1 point. Blount, your question. The first Roman emperor to identify himself as a Christian did so when he sought the help of the Christian God to win a battle against his enemies. Give the name of this emperor who formally ended the persecution of Christians shortly after his rise to power. Five seconds.
Wilson.
Try again. Oh, time's up. Time's up. Citronelle or BC Rain, write down your answers, please. And Citronelle, let's see what you wrote down. Constantine, BC Rain. Augustus. Constantine is the right answer, Citronelle. So you get a point. Very good. Okay. With the score, Blount 9, Citronelle 19, BC Rain 21, we're down to the last question in today's contest. It is in math. It's worth 4 points. And everybody open your white math envelopes now. Two positive integers have the property that the difference of their reciprocals is 13 times the reciprocal of their product. What is the absolute value of the difference of the numbers? You all have 60 seconds. Thirty seconds left, teams. Ten seconds. All right, time is up. And Citronelle, what was your answer here in Algebra 1, actually? 14. BC Rain, what was your answer? Now, is that the absolute value of 13? Is that how I read that? Yes, okay. Blount, what was your answer? 13. Yes, 13 will accept. That is it. So BC Rain and Blount both get points there. So, looks like our final score, looks like Blount with 13, Citronelle with 19, BC Rain with 25 points. So congratulations to everybody.